All right, last trade for me for the day. I am looking for this downside move off this double top. Get me somewhere back around those 44 to 48s. You can see we have 5 lots here. So risk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 points on each. So about $500 risk. And our reward is going to be right around 5.5 to about 6 points on each lot, which is going to be right around $2,200 to $2,300 in reward. So very good risk to reward trade here. We're looking for this price to drop into 48 first and then 44. That's going to be the target. And you can see maybe even down to the 40s if we can press through that. We do got a pivot sitting below somewhere at 38. So we are looking for price to get down there. But hopefully you guys enjoy this. I'm going to let you guys watch this trade play out. This is the last one for the day during this London session. You guys take care. Have a good night.